Here's a quick little tip you can use to help secure files from friends or family members if you share a computer with them. If you're on a Mac and it's a newer one, you can open up Disk Utility. And if you see inside Disk Utility that your disk format is APFS, so first, before you do anything, make sure you go to View, Show All Devices. You really don't want to make a mistake when you first do this, but it's pretty safe as long as you kind of know what you're doing. So you want to look and see if your disk is APFS container, and you want to find the actual container. So you want to find the one that says APFS container. If you find it down here and it's a volume group that's incorrect, you don't want to do it on any of those. So you go to the container, and then you go plus in the top right for add volume. You're then going to change the format from APFS to APFS encrypted. And we're going to set a password right now for it. Choose, and then I'm going to name this vault, or you can name it whatever you want, and hit add. And the nice thing about APFS containers is you can add them at will, and they can be resized on the fly, which is pretty cool. So you notice it didn't ask me for how big of a partition to do, and that's because it doesn't matter. As it fills up or you need to put more data in there, it will add more space if it has any. So now that we've got that added, let's go back to Finder, and we can look here and we see Vault mounted as a disk. So what you can do is, if you have files that you want to keep away from other people, you can just copy them and put them in Vault. And then you can go back to your disk utility and select Vault here and hit unmount. Now, if anyone goes to Finder, they will no longer be able to find Vault here. And if they open Disk Utility and they try to open this, let's say they try to mount it, it's going to ask for the password you put in. So it's a quick and easy way to kind of have a expandable vault, essentially. And as you add more files, it will make more room. It's pretty handy. And then if you ever want to just get rid of it, you just select it and you can just hit minus, and won't affect anything else in the computer. So it's kind of like attaching just a little section of a hard drive, or it's your own personal hard drive that's secure with a password beyond logging into the computer.